Certified Law of Attraction Specialist and High Performance Coach Keith Young here of Inner Game Magic. And I want to talk to you about deliberately creating. You see, I help people create a success mindset so they can then deliberately create what they want in their life and manifest their desires in their life to create a better life for themselves and their family. Because the law of attraction is going to work, wanted and unwanted. It just depends on what you are vibrating out and what you're currently thinking of. That is why deliberate creating and the success mindset go hand in hand. Let me give you a visual on how deliberate creation works. Let's say we start out with this coloring book, because I use this when I do magic shows for kids. I use this as one of my props. Every time we go to deliberately create, we can start out with a blank slate, sort of like this coloring book starts out with no pictures in it. So with no pictures in this book, and we want to manifest certain things in our life, we start thinking about exactly what we want. We start writing down exactly what we want. And then we start to have the pictures appear that we want in our life. Now, when we start visualizing exactly what we want and start meditating on them and magnetically start to manifest that into our lives, that is when we start seeing the abundance and prosperity in our life that we want to have. Once is not enough, however. You have to do this on a daily basis, and I can teach you how to meditate or visualizations as well. Because once you start slacking off, things start fading out of your life. Like this. So every time that we want to deliberately create something, always remember to start with a blank slate in mind, because that is where it all starts, with your thoughts and a success mindset. So if you want a free video on how to create a success mindset, just go to my website, innergamemagic.com. You can see it across the screen here, and get your free audio, and then learn how to become a deliberate creator.